Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make this meat pie, delicious meat pie. So the recipe that I'm using is my carrot that I bought. This carrot, I'm removing all the back to make sure there is no dirt to prevent sand. So you need to wash them very well, clean them very well, remove all the back, and then wash them with baking soda, or you wash them with your salt, or wash them with vinegar. So I'm using potato as well. After scraping them, I wash them and then put them in the food processor to chop them roughly. So now I'm going to use oil, or warm oil, add oil in the pan, onions, and saute. And then after some time, you need to add the carrot and the potato together, and then you stir for some time, stir at least for 2 minutes, then add stock cube, and then mix. So now I'm going to add my mixed veggies, that dry mixed veggies, which is thyme, oregano, and other dry ingredients. So it's on my channel, so I'm going to put the link below. Add curry, stir, add anything that you feel you want to add on your normal spices or whatever. You can also add pepper to this. I do not add pepper. Stir. Now I'm going to blend the meat that I brought out. This is a plain meat. I blended it with that food processor, adding a little bit of water and grounded ingredients like onion, and then add water to mix them together. And when it's cooked, it's ready. A little bit of water you need. So I have mixed my baking soda and plain flour together, and trying to use my hands to make sure to mix them thoroughly. So you want to put all those dry ingredients together, which is listed above. Then mix them thoroughly, add water, and then keep mixing. The margarine that you're going to use should be room temperature, so that you can be able to mix them thoroughly. So making a dough out of it, you want to make dough out of it and put them in your countertop and keep mixing until they are a bit stretchy. Now, so now you're going to roll it. This is the way I want to do mine. Some people use the mold. Honestly, if you are like me that you don't know how to use the mold, please raise your hands, because that mold, I have loads of them, but I do not know how to use it. So I prefer using my my pizza cutter. So now I put the filling in, and then I'll make sure I put it together, and then cover it, and then use my um the the pizza cutter to just make it round. Isn't that beautiful? Just turn it round and you're good to go. So I'm going to use my the egg. I have already beat my egg. I used one egg. I beat one egg, and then I'm going to use it for this meat pie. So you have to cover it. So I've used egg to seal it up, but I did not show that part. The video it wasn't videoing. So now look at how it looks like. Yeah, put it in your oven tray, and then poke the holes on it, and then you are good to go. So I'm using egg wash for this. This is one egg that I beat, and then I'm using my brush to just brush it very well to make sure uh, it's nice and golden brown when it's done. So I'm going to use 180 degrees Celsius to bake this on the oven. While the oven is already on, you want to preheat your oven before then, and look at how it comes out. It is nice and golden brown, and it's good to go, and it was so delicious. And look at that. Thank you for watching.